Good afternoon, my dear students. In our previous class, we discussed about multiples of a given number. We learned that when we multiply a given number by natural numbers, we get the product, and the product is the multiple of the given number. Here we will learn more about multiples. When we multiply two or more numbers, we get their product, and the product is a multiple of each of the numbers multiplied. Means when we multiply two or more numbers, the product is multiple of each number multiplied. You see an example here. When we multiply 2 into 3, example it is 2 multiplied by 3, the product will be 6. 6 is called multiple of 2 and 3. And 6 is product. When we multiply 2 by 3, we get product 6. 6 will become multiple of 2 and 3. So we can write 6 is multiple of 2 and 3. So when we multiply 2 or more numbers, the product is multiple of each number multiplied. Clear? Another example, if you are multiplying 12 into 3, you will get 36. Here 36 is product, and we are multiplying 12 by 3. So 36 will be multiple of 3 and 12 both. I hope you understood. Now the next topic is even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. A number which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. A number which is multiple of 2 is called an even number. In other words, numbers which is divided by 2 are called an even number. In other words, you can also say a number in which the ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Means we are going to study about even and odd numbers. A number, we are going to read even numbers. You can write a number which is multiple of 2. A number which is a multiple, multiple of 2 is called is called an even number. An even number. So when we write multiple of 2, we write 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 6, 12, and so on. So these numbers are called an even numbers or even numbers. These numbers are called even numbers. You are also observing here 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, and 2 multiplied by 4, 8, 2 multiplied by 5, 10, and 2 multiplied by 6, 12. You are seeing here is only one place, that is unit place. Here is one place, here is one place, here. But here we are having 2-digit number, and we are observing here is 0 and here is 2. If you are going to multiply 2 to 7, you will get 14. So here is 4. Means after 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will repeat at one's place. So in other words, you can say that a number is said to be an even number when its units place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Clear? Now odd number. Next number is odd numbers. A number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. A number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. Means the numbers which is not going to be divided by 2 exactly are called odd numbers. Examples of odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. We are observing here one's place here only, one's place here, one's place here, one's place here, one's place here. When we are having 2-digit number, we are seeing at one's place 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again at one's place 1 is coming. Means a number having one's place 1, either 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called an odd number. So it is quite easy to identify which number is an even number and which number is an odd number. We can see the unit place of the digits and we can clearly say that this number is an odd and this number is an even number. So I hope you understood even number and odd numbers. Now you will solve exercise 8.2. 8.2. First question I am telling, it is written here. In 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 32 is a multiple of dash and dash. Just before this topic I told you, when two numbers are multiplied together we get a product, and the product is the multiple of the numbers which are multiplied together. Means if it is written 4 into 8 is equal to 32, then 32 is multiple of 32 is a multiple of 4 and 8. 32 is a multiple of 4 and 8. Similarly, other numbers given, you can write the numbers. In case of 3 numbers, see question number 5. We have 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7, which is equal to, it is given here in your book 70, that is wrong. Question number 5, product is written wrong. It will be 140. It will be 140, but by mistake it is written here 70. So 140 is a multiple of all these numbers, means multiple of 4, 5 and 7. 4, 5 and here I am writing and 7. So like this you can write the answer of questions of exercise 8.2. You have to write odd and even numbers. So I hope you understood how to write odd and even numbers. Means you have to do exercise. Your homework is exercise 8.2. Thank you.